Welcome to our JavaScript design patterns tutorial. In this video, we will cover the basics of design patterns and how to apply them in JavaScript. Design patterns are reusable solutions to common problems that can improve the quality and maintainability of our code. There are several types of design patterns including creational, structural, and behavioral patterns. The singleton pattern is a creational pattern that ensures a class has only one instance. The factory pattern is a creational pattern that provides a way to create objects without specifying the exact class. The observer pattern is a behavioral pattern that allows objects to be notified of changes to other objects. The decorator pattern is a structural pattern that allows objects to be decorated with additional properties or behaviors. The adapter pattern is a structural pattern that allows objects with different interfaces to work together. Design patterns can improve the quality and maintainability of our code, making it easier to understand and modify. There are several common mistakes that can be made when applying design patterns. We will cover how to avoid these mistakes and use design patterns effectively. There are several best practices that can help us use design patterns effectively. We will cover how to choose the right pattern for the problem and use design patterns judiciously. Many JavaScript libraries and frameworks use design patterns to improve code quality and maintainability. We will cover how to implement design patterns in JavaScript, including using built-in features and creating custom implementations. Design patterns have many real-world applications in software development. We will cover how design patterns can be used to improve code maintainability, enhance code flexibility, and solve common problems. I hope this video has helped you understand JavaScript design patterns better. Thank you for watching.